Hi guys, this is the code with Ilyasoft and welcome to the unlimited C# course. Our today topic is data type conversion and C#. It means how to convert integer to float and float to integers, string to integer and integer to string. So let's get started. So C# provide the various data types to represent the different kinds of data such as integer, floating points, numbers, strings and dates. Sometimes you may need to convert one data type to another. So here are four ways to do data type conversion in C#. The first one is the implicit conversion. So the implicit conversion, C# allows some data types to be converted to other data types automatically without explicit casting. So what is explicit casting? We will discuss in this video. For example, an int can be assigned to a long without casting because a long can represent a large range of values than an int. So here an example. So it means the larger range except the smaller range of data types, but its family must be same. Means integer and float are both is a number family. So let's get and take the example. So now declare the variable num is equal to 10. So that is the integer variable. I'm going to store the value of integer and big num is equal to and assign the num to the long big number variable, long big num. So this is the implicit conversion. So it means if the value is automatically converted from one data type to another, this type of conversion is called implicit conversion. So the next is explicit conversion. When you need to convert a data type explicitly, you can use the casting operator to convert from one data type to another. So for example, if you have a floating point numbers and you want to convert it to an integer, so you can use the parenthesis inside and the data type which is integer. So that is a casting operator, means these two parentheses and the data type inside and these two parentheses, that is the casting operator. Here is example. So the explicit conversion based on once we convert the big number to small number, this type of conversion, for this type of conversion we use the casting operator. So let's take the example. So now declare the variable is double, d is equal to 3 point and that is the value of double variable which is d. The next is integer, the variable is I is equal to d. I am going to store the double d value inside in the I, means the double data type value want to store inside in the I. So in this situation we are going to use the cast operator. Okay, so how we can use, let's get. Now before the big value, write here the two parentheses and add the data type which you want to convert, which is here, that is the integer. So now you see the data type is the value is converted. So this type of conversion is called explicit conversion. But here we have a data loss. So how? Let's print the data and print first d and then I. So this is the double and this is integer, and now debug the application. So now you see here the part of decimal we have lost here. So this means in a casting we lost a data, means the part of decimal. So here is the 3 which is converted an integer and this is the original value. The next one is convert class. So C# provide a built-in convert class that allows you to convert between many data types, means you can convert from string to integer, from integer to string. So if you perform this type of conversion, you need the convert class. So here is the example. So now create the integer num1 is equal to 10, that is the integer value, and the second we are going to create the str, means the string num is equal to, so we use the convert class. So convert dot to string and then pass this number, this num variable which is int. So we need here, this is the system dot convert and then convert into string. So this type of conversion you need the convert class. So let's get the value. Now debug the application. Now the result is 10, means the string and a string, the 10 value is the string str num value is 10. So the 10 data type convert from integer to string. The next is parse and try parse. So if you have a string that represents a value of another data types, you can use the parse method to convert the string to the desired data type. If the string cannot be converted, a format exception will be thrown. So to avoid this, you can use the try parse method, which is return a boolean value indicating whether the value is converted or not. So parse and try parse have difference only this: if you have get the error during the conversion, so then use the try parse. If the value is not converted, then you will not get the exceptions. What is the exception? We will discuss in a later session. Let's take the example. So here is the example. The string is the value, and here we use the try parse. It's convert the string value to num. So I'm going to comment this, and now the application is run. This is the breaker point. So here is the 10 inside and the string, which is the str num. Here is the value is 10. Once execute this statement, the value is convert from string to integer. But here is a problem. Once here I am at the some character which is a, and then debug the application, then it will generate the exception in this case. So now here is the 10a, and now step over. So the exception is generated, and here is the format exception. Okay, and input string was not in a correct format. So in this situation, you will use the try parse to not get the exception. Just the value is convert or not. If it's convert, the return will be true. If not convert, the return will be false. So let's take the example of try parse. So now I'm getting to comment this and then uncomment. So this type of conversion, if the value is not contain the character, just the plain number inside in the string, then you will use the end.parse. This is the better way, and parse to for string to end. But if have any chances, if any value have character, then use this one option, which is the try parse, and tell to the user please enter the correct number. So select the breaker point and then run and then debug the application. So now the 10a is the string, and here is the 10a. Okay, and there is the variable where the result will be stored. So by default here is 0. So once execute, so this try parse have not generated the format exception. Just till this false means the condition is false, it means the conversion was successful. Use result variable is not, means conversion is fail. So now click the else part is execute. So this means the try parse is better for to convert the string to ends. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share.